Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about what is business management. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is business management? Business management refers to the practice of overseeing and coordinating the activities of a company or organization to achieve its goals and objectives. It involves planning, organizing, directing, and controlling various resources such as human, financial, and material to effectively and efficiently carry out business operations. Business management encompasses a wide range of functions and responsibilities including number 1, planning, setting goals, developing strategies, and creating action plans to achieve desired outcomes. Number 2, organizing, structuring and arranging resources, tasks, and responsibilities to facilitate the smooth functioning of the business. Number 3, leading, guiding, motivating, and influencing employees to work towards common goals and objectives. Number 4, controlling, monitoring performance, measuring results, and taking corrective actions to ensure that activities align with the predetermined plans and standards. Number 5, decision making, analyzing information, evaluating options, and making choices that impact the business direction and success. Number 6, communication, facilitating effective exchange of information and ideas among stakeholders, both within and outside the organization. Number 7, human resource management, recruiting, selecting, training, and developing employees to maximize their potential and contribute to the organization's success. Number 8, financial management, managing financial resources, budgeting, financial planning, and making financial decisions to achieve profitability and sustainability. Number 9, operations management, overseeing production processes, quality control, supply chain management, and optimizing operational efficiency. Number 10, marketing and sales, identifying customer needs, developing products or services, pricing, promotion, and distribution to attract and retain customers. Effective business management involves a combination of strategic thinking, problem solving, leadership skills, and the ability to adapt to a dynamic, competitive business environment. It plays a crucial role in driving growth, maximizing profitability, fostering innovation, and ensuring the long-term success of an organization. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report about what is business management is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.